How to load a standard cell. This cell is the most common cell used during a load. Start by building a base row using a dresser or couch or similar items. Add lighter objects on top. Always consider the box and its contents to determine the safety of the items. Stack other items on top of base, getting lighter as you go up. Continue building, getting lighter as you build. Fill all gaps in space using pads or other items from your house to help fill the cell. To save room, you can fill dresser drawers and empty spaces with soft or small items. Using moving pads helps protect the items from scratches or scrapes. Make sure to protect items with movers wrap. Repeat the process as needed to fill the truck up. Stack other items on top of base, getting lighter as you go up. Continue building, getting lighter as you build. Once completed, make sure to tie down the cells as you go.